Rhys, the last living wizard, bears the fate to continue his bloodline.
I'm the last
He embarks
wizard
on a
left in
quest
the
to
world.
seek descendants of 7 magical families. He rescues Sadie, who's forced into marriage with a ruthless gangster. Their bond revives the long-lost power to command water, and their adventure has only just
Let
begun.
magic disappear from this world!
Live. Make sure the mage's bloodline doesn't end with you.
No! No!
Rice, forgive me for playing favorites. You're my most beloved and gifted student. Evil will return, and you have the purest bloodline. You're the one who has to carry it on. These 7 families carry powerful magical blood that's still dormant. Their descendants may be muggles, but with your bloodline you can definitely awaken magic again. As of today, you're the last wizard. Find them. Carry on the bloodline.
Don't worry. I'll make sure the magical bloodline of this world continues.
Fire breath. That means he has magic, too. But why don't I sense any magic from him?
Excuse me. Are you a wizard?
Wizard? Those are legendary. Me? I'm just a guy doing tricks. A stage magician, tops.
A stage magician.
I can teach you if you want.
Thanks, but I'm good. Do you know where Sadie Owen lives?
Sadie Owen? The most beautiful woman in town? What a shame. She's getting married today, to the richest bastard in the city. Married? Where is the wedding? There. The biggest church. Holy shit! I've seen a real wizard!
Beautiful Sadie, you're finally mine. Here, change into this. This is your real wedding dress.
Chris, I'm your bride! And you want me to wear that in front of all these people? In a sacred church?
You're my woman now. That means I do whatever the hell I want with you. Even the president, yeah, he'd have to sit there and watch. Let me tell you about my little kink. I love watching my boys screw my women. You want to know how I got here? Loyalty.
Loyalty to my brothers. So go ahead. Pick one. That's who gets the virginity you've been saving for 20 years.
She's hot as hell, boss! I'm first! I'll bet 10,000 her chastity belongs to me! Let me go first!
Here's the deal. She changes, we finish the wedding. She doesn't, I strangle her to death.
Mom, Dad, save me.
Sweetheart, I'm so sorry. Chris is this town's untouchable Don. This marriage is the only way to protect our family.
Why? Why are my own parents making me marry a piece of scum like him?
Hurry up! Put it on!
Don't!
Fuck! You fucking bitch! Do her, now!
Help! Mom! Dad! Help me!
Sadie! Don't move! Or I'll blow your fucking head off!
And then I'll shove this barrel up your woman's ass. Excuse me, sorry to interrupt.
Excuse me.
Who the fuck are you? You got a death wish?
Give me 1 minute to introduce myself to this beautiful lady. Thank you. Hi, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Rice, and I am the last wizard of this world.
Your bloodline is needed to save us all. Would you be willing?
What do you mean?
What I mean is, are you willing to have a child with me?
What the fuck? You wanna die?
As long as you can get me out of here, I'll marry you!
You bitch! I decide who sleeps with you! Only—
Okay, I will get you out of here.
Like hell you!
I will protect you with my life, my beautiful wife.
Fuck! Fuck! Blow his goddamn head off! Fire!
This is...
You just said you're an illusionist, right?
No, I'm the last wizard in this world.
The last wizard?
A wizard? What in the fuck are you?
Is he really a wizard?
Impossible! It's just a high-level trick! There's no such thing as magic! Fire! Fire again!
Be gentle with my doves.
Where are they? Where did they go? I think my gun's gone limp. Don't let them get away! After them! Ugh.
Care to go for a spin with me?
I'd love nothing more.
Bastard! Where are they? Where are they?
Could he really be a wizard?
Bullshit, a wizard? Then why'd he run? He rigged the whole thing. This is a plan. You two cooked it up to mess with my wedding. Get your daughter back here now, or I'll burn you alive.
This is so beautiful! Wow! Are you really a wizard? Does magic really exist in this world?
Of course. But I'm the last wizard in this world. Magic is almost gone. My name is Ress, and I still don't know the name of the lady beautiful enough to break my heart.
Sadie.
Sadie, will you help me carry on the magical bloodline and save this world?
I already answered you back in the church. I do. What's wrong with your broom?
Your kiss is so intoxicating. I forgot everything else for a moment. Oh no, it's jealous. Stellae duea me, nuvange cubili meam, solidifici.
I'm sorry, my dear. I didn't mean to scare you.
I'm okay. You turned the clouds into a bed?
That's right. Do you like it?
Oh my god. I feel like I'm dreaming. I'm like a princess in a fairy tale or something.
My dear, this isn't a dream. Anything you want, I can make it happen for you.
No one has ever been this good to me. I've never felt so free. I think I'm hopelessly in love with you. Wherever you go, I'll go with you.
I'll take you to every corner of the world. But right now, the most important thing is to undo this.
Sorry, it's my first time. I didn't hurt you, did I?
You could try using magic to undo it.
With pleasure.